Your cat follows you everywhere, but it's not always love. Most people think when a cat follows them, it means affection. But the truth is, there's something deeper behind it. In the wild, cats are extremely territorial. They always stay close to what they consider their safe zone, and now you are part of that territory. When your cat follows you to the bathroom, to the kitchen, even when you sleep, it's not just because they love you. They're monitoring their environment. They're making sure everything is under control, because in their instincts, anything unfamiliar can be a threat. But here's where it gets interesting. If your cat follows you and then suddenly stops and just stares at you, that's not random. They are studying your behavior, your movements, your habits, your reactions. Cats are silent observers. They learn everything about you without you even noticing. Now, here's something most people don't know. If your cat follows you but keeps distance, this is not rejection. It's calculated trust. In the wild, getting too close can be dangerous. So they stay close enough to watch you, but far enough to stay safe. And here's the scary part. If your cat suddenly becomes more attached and follows you more than usual, this could mean they feel something has changed. Cats are extremely sensitive to changes. Energy, behavior, environment. They notice everything. So when your cat starts acting differently, don't ignore it, because for them, something is not normal. So what should you do? Pay attention. Watch how your cat behaves around you. Respect their instincts and understand their signals, because your cat is not just following you, they are observing you. And that's something most people never realize.